Hello friends, welcome to Concept of Science. Today we will learn a new concept which is in news recently, Li-Fi. The founder Herald Haas has given term that is light fidelity. It is a visible light communication system running wireless communication traveling at a high speed of light. Earlier we had Wi-Fi, and if you don't know about Wi-Fi, let me explain.
So this is a router which transmit the internet in the form of radio waves to the laptops, and this is the data cable which is feeding the internet to this router, which then feeds the internet through the radio waves to the laptop or any other device. So when I connect the source, that is the internet which is coming from my internet service provider here, and switch on the router, you can see there are ports. If you connect a data cable from here to your laptop, then you get a wired internet connection, but this is also a Wi-Fi router. So this antenna is transmitting the internet or the information through radio waves. When I switch it on, it switches on and it will start providing internet to your home. This is a system of Wi-Fi.
You saw the system of Wi-Fi where there was a router which was getting the feed from the ISP. The ISP was feeding the data through a wire. There was a router like this. This router then converted that signal into radio waves. The data then spread across the room in the form of radio waves, and this is picked by your mobile phone or your laptop. These radio waves can travel through the walls. If your router placed in one room, then you can get the internet connection or the signal in other room. And nowadays there are powerful routers which can distribute the internet throughout the building or even say outside the building also. So that could be a useful feature, but also that can harm your privacy. Most of the times we have our router in our home and we don't want others to snoop into that signal, but you cannot stop that. So now, as you have understood the concept of Wi-Fi, where the signal is broadcasted using radio waves, there is a router in the Wi-Fi, then there should be something that is like router in the Li-Fi. Let us see the router of Li-Fi.
What you are seeing here is a LED bulb. Suppose that router is replaced with this LED bulb, and this LED bulb is providing you the required internet connection. How easy that will be, that your router has been replaced by a appliance that you use daily in your life. So what Li-Fi does is transmit the internet through the flickering of this LED bulb, and this LED bulb can flicker at a rate that your human eye cannot detect. So you won't feel that this LED bulb is flickering at all. It will be normal. Even there is an option of dimming this LED bulb. It will appear off to your eyes, but your devices will be getting the stream of internet. So the basic condition of Li-Fi is that the device that is getting the internet through these LED bulbs should be having line of sight with this bulb, and there will be a microchip fitted on the LED bulb that will help in switching on and off rapidly so that the data is transmitted.
You saw the LED bulb, that was the router of the Li-Fi. In this setup, there is a LED bulb, there is a chip in the LED bulb that helps this LED bulb to flicker at a rate that is not even visible to human eye. To the human eye, the bulb will be like it is always on, or you can dim the light and it will be like it is always off. And this bulb is present in a room, its light is confined in a room, and there is a laptop in this room. So the internet or the signal or the data that has been transmitted from this bulb can only be received by this laptop which is in the line of sight of from the bulb. And now there is a laptop that is outside this room where this light is not reaching. That laptop will not detect this Li-Fi signal. So in this way, this is a highly secure mode of transmitting the data. This cannot be achieved by a Wi-Fi. This is also very fast. The MIT labs have achieved a rate of 224 GB gigabits per second. That is a huge amount of data transfer speed. Even Google Fiber provides, that is a optical fiber network that Google is providing in various states of USA. They provide 1 Gbps internet, which is more than enough for anything that you can do. But through this mode, you can transmit the data with 224 GB per second. This will highly improve the efficiency. Also, the benefits of Li-Fi is this LED bulb already present in your home. All you need is to modify this LED bulb, and you can have this router. Also, making this LED bulb is very cheap, because as the technology is improving, this LED bulb is reachable to all the people. You saw that the data will be fed to the bulb. The bulb will convert that data into optical signal. That optical signal will be provided to the laptop. And how it will be recognized? It will flicker, switch on and off at a various space. There will be a optical detector in the laptop. This optical detector will detect the signal from the bulb, and then it will convert that into streamable, or the data that a computer understands. By this way, we can achieve a very high amount of data transfer. Recently, the founder Harold Haas showed an experiment. There was a setup that there was a light emitting box, there was a solar panel, there was a computer. Now, this solar panel was receiving the light from this light emitting diode, that is LED, and there was electricity generation in the solar cell. As the light was flickering, there was a variable electricity generation in the solar cell, and that can be again converted to a signal which can be used to transmit the data from LED to the computer. He sent the light here with a certain amount of on and off, and that was detected by the solar cell. That solar cell converted that signal into electrical signal. That electrical signal was fed into the laptop, and it was streaming a video. Obviously, there were many other instruments involved. This is a just a laboratory experiment. The Harold Haas promised that it will be in production in 2-3 years. By this way, he said he can achieve a speed of 50 MB per second. This is also a very high speed compared to what average speed of the developing countries. If this speed can be achieved, then the rooftop solar panel can be easily used as a receiver. And you know, solar panels are nowadays mainstream, so there is already production going on. So what will happen in the setup, that there is a home. This home has a solar panel installed, and then there is a lighthouse somewhere. This lighthouse is transmitting the laser light or any beam of light that is flickering at a certain rate, and this light is received by the solar panel. While this solar panel is converting the electricity that is provided by the sun through the light, it also is acting as a receiver of the internet. So this is going to revolutionize the internet world, and you will see Li-Fi in news more. Also, there is a expectation that the devices will start coming in next 3 to 4 years. So as this is in news, it may come in the examination, so better understand the concepts behind it, and learn it, and learn the benefits of Li-Fi compared to Wi-Fi. Also, the demerits of Li-Fi compared to Wi-Fi, because that may be asked in your exam. If you have prepared that list, please post that in the comment section below. Let us start a discussion, and let us dwell into this topic. If you want me to make a more detailed video on this, I can make. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.